Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. Okay, sharing is caring, and I really appreciate the level of support we get on the channel. Thank you for liking this video, sharing this video, and thank you for your subscription. Okay, so Vechain, look at that. It's slowly going up the stairs, isn't it? It did it here as well. Look, it did it here. Went up the stairs, ran into resistance, came back, put in a swing high, swing low. And like I said to you, even if you was to roll here and come all the way back down and bounce off this trend line, you're still putting in beautiful higher highs and higher lows. Look at that. Okay, can happen. You're fully aware. This is how massively Vechain can correct, and people like sort of don't believe you when you say it can happen. But what's happened here? You ran into this resistance just here, like I said to you, this cluster. Okay, you have ran into it on the daily, failed to close above it. You got a little wick above, and you're coming back to a key level support. You have had a little wick down on the 20 at the minute. I did say that would act as a key level support if you was to get a rollover, and it has. It's bounced off it, so it's all good. It's golden. So right now we do need to see the continuation, form some kind of little bull pen or bull flag or something just there, start to break out, and that's where you're going to get continuation, tackle this level of resistance again, and then come up to these highs and take them out. But you can see just there, you're sort of coming up without any kind of big correction at the moment. Okay, and you can see that when Vechain does come up the stairs, it does usually correct. Okay, like here, came up the stairs, correct, upstairs, correct, just there, whopping correction, just there, consolidate a little bit there, to be honest with you, in some kind of bull pennant, yeah, on a daily time frame, some kind of continuation pattern, and then broke out and had that sort of astronomical rise just there. So, you know, just want to reassure you that these waveforms that it goes through up and down is normal. It's what it does. It's part and parcel of the journey. You know, take it on the chin. You know, your best optimal opportunity was down here, which I gave you, which is swing high. So for me, you know, those people that I still get messages now, you know, amazing appreciation, because from down there on that swing high just there, currently Vechain is up a whopping 192% with the continuation in front of it. Do you understand that? So there was a bit of Evergrande FUD here last night, and this is where you've got this big wick from. Okay, because there was a bit of a sell-off in the entire market, not just for Vechain. I was going to say G-Chain, not just for Vechain. Okay, it ran into a level of resistance. It's conforming like a boss, basically. You know, you can see you're caught between this level of resistance right now and the 618, the golden ratio, the 618 just there. Look at that. You see that? So you're caught between that at the moment. So potentially, you know, you might not put in a whopping correction. You found support on the 20. You might coil up here, you know, some kind of pennant or flag, and then get the breakout again, and then get the continuation, because the market is relatively bullish. There's one thing that we need to keep an eye on, obviously, for Vechain moving forward, I think personally anyway, on the weekly, is this line here. Okay, I'm looking for this to get really overextended and overbought, and I do think at that point that would be, without me telling you, a good area to think about taking a bit of profit from Vechain. Again, nothing I say is financial advice, okay, but you're looking relatively good for continuation. You're conforming, you're running to resistance, falling back to key level support, you're looking for continuation. And like I said to you, worst case scenario here, you roll over, come down, bounce off another key level support, put some cheeky bids on the weekly 20, because you can see when you break out, you start to hold it like a boss. Okay, and that's exactly what you're doing. Coming up, you can see, if you look here on these weekly candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 candles, weekly green candles for Vechain. Wow, that's mega. I mean, have we ever even done that? Let's look at the history. I don't think we have. I think we did down here 1 2 3 4, yeah, more than 7. There was a bit of a break there. There's a bit of a break there. You know, this is whopping. This is a whopping uptrend. So, you know, to anticipate some kind of pullback would be healthy. It's normal. Don't shit the bed, basically. So that's basically Vechain. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.